3 years ago, none of us could have imagined a robotics company producing multiple humanoid robots. They could only produce 1 or 2 prototype models and stop there because it was clear that making more would require immense scale and resources. As a result, seeing more robots, a whole army of humanoid robots, was something only seen in science fiction films like I, Robot. So, when considering the reality of Elon confidently stating that Tesla will have over 1,000 robots by next year and hundreds of thousands by 2026, it led many to doubt. However, Tesla has clearly made the ability to mass-produce humanoid robots a reality, as over 100 robots have been made, and many were brought to a launch event last October. Elon's got big plans for next year, and it wouldn't be surprising to see Tesla Optimus in the near future. Before we begin, please help us reach 135 subscribers. It'll be a huge motivation for us to keep bringing you great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. Before expanding the Optimus robot to other markets, it'll initially be sold in the US and primarily made at Giga Texas. Earlier this year, during Tesla's first quarter earnings call, Elon estimated that Optimus would be ready for outside sales by the end of next year. However, after realizing that redesigning Optimus is a challenging task, as he shared on X, combined with the fact that the new hand is still not technically finished and is primarily relying on teleoperation for data collection and training, the Tesla CEO announced in July that Tesla will genuinely have useful humanoid robots in low production for Tesla internal use next year and hopefully high production for outside companies in 2026. Following that, Elon confirmed that mass production could start in 2025, stating it would be over 1,000 robots, and we believe at least 5,000 Optimus robots getting produced next year. We think that's a large number because no robotics company's been able to make more than 1,000 robots so far, and compared to the roughly 100 robots currently available, this is not a small figure. Once again, please help us reach 135 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. All right, we don't want to get too much into Optimus, but every time we see these videos and images of Tesla's robot, we can truly imagine scenarios 10 years out where we got at least one robot around the house doing chores. Now, if we talk about the number of different things it can do, the truth is there's not too many complex tasks at the moment, but we believe in just 3 more years, we're going to be truly stunned by the number of things that Tesla Bot can do as upgrades happen every day instead of once a month or once a year. We think that Elon will pursue this project to the end until the world has billions of these Tesla robots, just like the EVs that got sold. Gen 3 comes out in December, and if you're thinking about the $20,000 price, we don't think that's going to happen. If Tesla often fails to stay on schedule with its electric vehicles and frequently delays its launch programs, we see that everything related to Optimus is progressing unexpectedly quickly. In Tesla's first quarter 2024 earnings call, Elon stated he believes Optimus will be performing tasks in Tesla factories by the end of this year and could begin selling the robot to external customers by late next year. In fact, at least 50 robots are already deployed in Tesla's factory, with more in production. As Elon projected at the company's investor day in June of this year that Tesla could have over 1,000 or even several thousand robots operating internally by next year. Alongside ramping up production of Optimus version 1 and making improvements to Gen 2, Tesla's releasing a premium version 2, Optimus Gen 3, which Musk said is going to be launched by the end of the year. For those who may not know about the improvements and changes in Optimus Gen 3, yes, it'll feature a new design, a new hand with 22 degrees of freedom, faster movement speed, and a smarter brain, meaning it'll be more autonomous than Gen 2. However, Tesla is always unpredictable, so they might do even more and make it even better. Thus, we'll have a clearer answer on Optimus Gen 3 next month. Recently, though, Elon candidly shared that redesigning Optimus has been one of the toughest parts. Elon wrote on X in a post that Optimus is already doing some tasks in the factory and the scope of its abilities rapidly increasing. The toughest part by far is improving the design of the Optimus for ease of manufacturing and tooling up a complex supply chain so it can be made in significant numbers. First, designing a product requires not just achieving functionality and aesthetics, but also optimizing it for mass production at a reasonable cost. For example, Cybertruck's unique design once caused Tesla significant challenges to resolve and required a lot of effort to make it ready for mass production. So, Gen 3 of Optimus is going to have to design an even more distinctive than the already refined Gen 2, and we think Tesla's done their homework on this. That's why we also think Gen 3 is unlikely to get priced at $20,000. $100,000 is probably a bit more realistic. As we can all see, the relationship between Elon and Donald Trump has gotten better even more now since Trump was elected this past Tuesday. So we think it's entirely possible that Trump could support Tesla's robot development strategy. An even cooler thought is, what if he started carrying Optimus as a Secret Service agent in the near future? That seems kind of reasonable after the recent assassination attempts, right? No, just kidding. We believe it's still going to take quite some time for Optimus to fully realize its utility, whether it be at a homemaker or in any other role. As Elon also said,
so it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks, whatever you can think of, it will do.
Sounds great, right? But clearly, very few of us actually think or truly believe that robots could work in homes, schools, and nursing homes. Would they ever be safe enough? And how human-like should they be? There are so many questions that need answers. Regarding robot safety, we mean it's not going to be like what we see in the movies, a bunch of robots in rebellion, like an iRobot or T2. In reality, Optimus would be more like C-3PO or R2-D2 out of Star Wars, as Elon has repeatedly claimed.
Like, who doesn't want a C-3PO, you know? But a C-3PO plus R2-D2 plus, plus. It would be pretty awesome. I think everyone in the world is going to want one.
Right now, Optimus is only hitting 1/3 of its potential. While it's been able to complete various tasks, these are primarily simple things, whereas customers, we've got higher expectations, especially if we're paying up to $30,000 like Elon talked about. We recognize that most users hope Optimus can do practical tasks like helping out with cooking, safely caring for and teaching young ones, reminding elderly to take their meds on time, and operating most household appliances or just keeping the house clean. Only by meeting those needs can Optimus truly become a successful household assistant, going far beyond the role of just a display item. Elon emphasized that the difference between Optimus and other humanoid robots we've seen lies in the brain, the AI that controls these robots. Tesla's one of the leaders in practical artificial intelligence, having built a brain capable of controlling a car, basically a robot on a wheel. And now we're transferring that technology into a robot with legs.
You need to be the best in real-world AI, and Tesla's the best in real-world AI.
With fully autonomous driving and neural networks, it makes perfect sense to transfer that technology into a humanoid form. And of course, it's designed to be user-friendly, navigate a world built for humans, and eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. When you want to push AI to the cutting edge of tech, you need to collaborate with Microsoft, NVIDIA, Google, or one of the other big tech giants. There's no other way. These AI-focused companies just have resources that no one else does, not even the government. NVIDIA has been a great partner up to this point, which is why Tesla's used their chips for their supercomputers. Now Elon's confident that Tesla has a robot brain that the competition can't catch up with. Those interested in owning Optimus at home will have to wait until 2026, when mass production is expected to begin. In addition to the wait time, potential buyers need to spend up to $30,000 to buy this robot, with a price depending on the specific version. Elon also said that the price range might seem a bit high, but it's expected to go down over time, making the robot more affordable to a wider audience down the road. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.